Today we will be using Discovery Education and PebbleGo Next for your ecosystem research. To start, we need to open Destiny. Destiny can be found on your home page or your home screen, and if you just double-click the icon, it'll open up the Destiny page, and then click the little square to make it bigger. Find Manchester Elementary School, and that'll take us to our Destiny homepage. If for some reason you don't see Destiny on your desktop, open up Internet Explorer, and then just go to your favorites, and it will be in there. And once we're at our Destiny homepage, we see our databases. We're going to find Discovery Education and click. And that'll open up Discovery Education. You will automatically be logged into Discovery Ed because you're logged into the computer. So when Discovery Ed opens, you'll see your name. You can go to the top. This is our search bar. This is where you're going to type in your ecosystem. So Chesapeake Bay. That's the keyword that I'm looking up. So your ecosystem is your keyword. And then your results will come up. You can narrow down your results by the type of result, if you just want videos or just text. If you scroll down, you can also change it to the level. It has Lexile scores, which is your SRI. Also at the top, you can change the level by your grades, so if you just want 3 through 5. And then you can start scrolling through your results. So this one says the Chesapeake Bay Watershed. It's an ebook, so I'm going to click it. It looks like it might be a good resource for my ecosystem research. So then once it opens, I can kind of go through and see if this is going to be a good source for me. This ebook, you just click through the pages.
Watershed. Can you think of some reasons why many people liked?
So it'll play for me. I can click through the pages. I can scroll down. There's 5 different pages that I can click through. And it explains it for me. If I keep going down, there's always going to be a little summary of the resource. And that just gives you an idea if it's going to be a good resource for you or not. Over here, you'll see the citation. This is just citing the source. It'll have the article's name, the database, and the website. Once you've gotten your information, if you click the back arrow at the top or the D with the earth, it'll take you back to your results. And then you can keep going through to find another resource to continue your research. So that's Discovery Education. Now, to go to PebbleGo Next, we go back to the Destiny homepage. We click PebbleGo Next, and this time, PebbleGo Next will open. PebbleGo Next we need to log into, so you'll see this white login sign at the top. If you click that, the login screen will pop up. Our username is Manchester ES, and our password is school, SCHOOL. Once it's typed, just hit go, and then that'll log you in to PebbleGo Next. You'll see some topics, but we don't need to worry about those because we know our ecosystem. So at the top, you can type in your ecosystem, and then it'll give you some suggestions. So we want temperate forests, and PebbleGo Next will give you different tabs at the top, and it'll take you to that section in the article, like climate and animals. And so you can read along. It has a little speaker that'll read the words for you. Sometimes there are short video clips. The videos on PebbleGo Next don't always have sound. They're more for the visual. And then also PebbleGo Next at the top will have the citation just to see where your source came from. So that's PebbleGo Next. So again, our 2 databases for your ecosystem research today are Discovery Education and PebbleGo Next. Raise your hand with any questions.